All right, so good afternoon and aloha. And welcome to all of our leaders who are here today from all age groups and doing some great things here in different parts of the business community and within our schools and within our community as a whole. And so I, Teresa, you and I, right, alumni, first class of Leadership Kauai 2005. How it started and just remembering.
And Felicia, she's here.
Where?
Oh, there's Felicia.
Oh, Felicia, thanks. Felicia, come up here. Felicia and Teresa, get up here.
He can see me, but he can hardly.
Okay, this is the Divas of 2005, okay?
Should I stand up?
You should. Yeah, you need to be up one more.
But anyway, so I just was sharing that how back in 2005, I mean, the vision was there. And then it kind of grew and grew, and look, today we have all the different opportunities for young people, for students, for business people, and now we're standing here going to proclaim Leadership on Kauai Month. And I know it's not going to happen later on until May, yeah? But we're here today to actually celebrate, talk story, have some refreshments. So what I wanted to do is actually read the proclamation, and then usually I do a little bit of the proclamation. I'm going to read the whole thing, because it means so much for all of you here. And then we'll do a picture and then fellowship. And that's what it's about. And I was just saying also, we could track many of the different students or graduates of Leadership Kauai and all the different parts of the community and who's doing what and how this program has really built esteem, self-esteem, character, promise, open the doors for more opportunity. I mean, it's great. So anyway, Leadership Kauai, whereas it is essential to Kauai's future to develop the next generation of leaders and the importance of encouraging all citizens to become outstanding leaders. The application of good leadership principles is the foundation to the successful implementation and completion of projects with impacts on both business and throughout the community at large. The application of good leadership principles is important to preserve and sustain local and Hawaiian cultural values. That's a big, big part of this whole program, that we all understand where we come from and very respectful. And of course, the ongoing endeavors in education, health, wellness, and the arts. Outstanding leaders on Kauai help to educate, inspire, and motivate others, our classmates, as we move throughout our communities, to develop a spirit of giving back to the community and stepping forward to serve. It is important to publicly recognize outstanding leaders for their achievements and contributions to the community. And many of you I know participate in many nonprofit groups and volunteer organizations, our police commission, our fire commission, internally as well as externally. Now, therefore, I, Bernard P. Cavalli Jr., Mayor of the County of Kauai, State of Hawaii, do hereby proclaim the month of May as, everybody clap, Leadership on Kauai Month. Throughout the County of Kauai, I encourage all citizens to join me in acknowledging the efforts and good works of those who are successful leaders in our community. I'd like to also recognize all the leaders who make it happen, the leadership teams of each organization and all the main people here today. And the nice thing about Leadership Kauai, it doesn't matter what branch of government or what branch of business you're in, it's open to all. And it just helps everybody to just step to the plate. And so I'm really happy to be here this afternoon to encourage and continue this endeavor and this wonderful program, continue to support it. What we're going to do now is take a picture, everybody go smile and kind of just hang loose afterwards and have some refreshments, okay? So everybody come forward.